Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to tell if 2 over 5 is bigger than 43% or 43% is bigger than 2 over 5. This sign means that 2 over 5 is bigger than 43%, and this sign means that 43% is bigger than 2 over 5. And obviously this sign means that they're both equal. So we have to find how to get 100 by 5 times something. So 5 times 20 would equal 100. So 5 times 20 equals 100. And then 2 times 20 equals 40. So which one's higher, 40 or 43? 43 was higher, so then that means you'd use this sign, and 43 is your answer. Hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more.